You can use this as a monopod. Yeah, you see, and it's very sturdy, so I like this. So let's fix this back on. So while you're using it to pat your hair, it's also moisturizing your hair. This is so good. My skin has been having some kind of problems, and I even see some people using it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ada here. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing this tripod, so we are going to be doing that together. If this is your first time here, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. You're highly welcome to my channel, and I am happy to have you here. You will definitely love it here. I do everything, you know, I am a mom, so I do everything mom lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, some DIYs, and you know, a little bit of vlogs here and there. So you just want to stay tuned, okay? Click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. You're welcome to my channel. So let's just get started. I am excited. Ooh. All right, look at that. Like, oh Lord, this is big. Okay. Ooh, here we are. So this is the newer 70 something inch tripod. I don't know, check that out. If you like, I saw so many good reviews on this and I decided to go with this. Among all the tripods that I saw, I decided to go with this one. So if you would like to grab this, I'll leave the link in the description box down below so you can get exactly this one that I got, because let's just see how it is, but I know it's going to be great. I mean, I have newer soft boxes and I have newer ring lights, which is what I am using right now. You guys, I am so excited. Like, I am just getting my things, you know, bit by bit. You don't have to get everything at once. You just get it bit by bit the way you can. And I am waiting on my camera. I am still saving up for my camera, so I am waiting on my camera. I can't wait. I'm so excited, you guys. You don't know. Oh, okay. So it has, oh wow, just look at that. First, you can travel with this, you can move around with this, and you have no problems. Like, look at that. The bag is beautiful, it's portable. Look at that. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. You need to have this, and it feels sturdy. So let's just see how it is. It just feels like it will be so sturdy. Great. Woo! Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god. You guys, I wasn't expecting this to be this strong. But let me see. Okay, let me open this up. Let me see what we have in here. Okay. Ooh. Wow. This is so good. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so beautiful. I love the touch of red on it. It makes it look so good. Wow, this is so beautiful. So beautiful, you guys. Let's open this up and see how it is. And keep on watching, because this is basically an Amazon haul, because I have other things that I will be unboxing. I have other Amazon cartons here, like, you guys. I am Madam Bye Bye. Ooh, okay. What am I supposed to do? All right. Oh, and I love that it has this leg. Okay, I need to see this right here. Oh, okay, I'm supposed to turn this right this way. And ooh, Lord. Man, you guys, this is like a professional tripod. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Like, look at that. And it has like the ball head. I love anything that has a ball head. This has the ball head and it's all metal or something. Yeah, Wow, this is really like it's not so heavy. It's something you can carry around. It's not so heavy. That is another thing. Okay, so I have to do this and then do this. Wow, and then woo, and then you can extend the leg. I need to learn a whole lot of things in this, but then okay, hold on, I need to tighten this up. Oh, okay. Wow, the movement around the head is so it's so smooth. Everything, the movement is so smooth. This is really great. Like, you guys, and you can move this. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh, all right, this is this right here. This is how it rolls. You can put it whichever way you want to. I love that it had this fluid, this ball head, because it makes the movement easier and everything moves so smoothly. This is like a professional tripod, and I am going to be using this for a long time because I am going to be, this will last a whole, like, I'm not planning on changing this anytime soon. You guys, look at that. Ooh, okay, okay. So you guys, this is so nice. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, so do go ahead and grab yours. And yes, it's an associate link. It's not like it's taking anything from you, but I will get a small commission if you do go ahead and purchase anything. That's just it, to support my channel. So thank you so much. I mean, you mustn't use the link. You can also go on Amazon and check it out, type it out. I will leave the link and the name in the description box down below, so you can do whichever one. That's your fine, as long as you get this. Look at that. You can even screw this apart. You can even open this up. Look at that. You can take out like the whole ball head and use it for another tripod. Man, isn't this wonderful? Like, look at that. I just love how smooth this thing is, how smooth this thing. Neewer always gets, like, they always get the deal. Like, they always have the real deal. I have their soft box. Now I'm having their tripod. I have their ring light. Everything about Neewer is just so great. And I left everything, the ring light, the soft box, and the tripod. I left everything in the description box down below. Let's see if this came with anything else. Yeah, it came with this. I guess it's an extra nut for it. I don't know what that is for, but that is what it came with. Okay, and then it came with this as well. Yeah, it came with the manual. I think I'll have to like check it out later to see how I'm supposed to deal with this, because it has a whole lot right here. Look at that. And then the good thing about this thing is that you can, okay, they said you can, oh, okay, you can release this and use it like as a tripod, as a, what's it called, a monopod or something. Wait, as a monopod. Yeah, you can release this and use it as a monopod. That is another thing, but I don't think I'll be using it for this purpose actually. Yeah, you can extend it. This is so long. You guys, this is, I think this is 71 or 72 inches. It's so long. Oh my god. So you can use it as a monopod. And I love the legs. I love that it has this type of leg, so you can definitely stand anywhere and wouldn't move. So this is a great deal. Like, this is so good. You guys, this is so good. You can use this as a monopod. Yeah. You see, and it's very sturdy, so I like this. So let's fix this back on. Now I have my tripod, because most times whenever I want to film, even like during the day, I have to start carrying around my what's it called, I have to start carrying around my ring light, because that is what I use as my tripod. But then I noticed that it might definitely spoil my tripod, the way I try to bend it, the way I try to force it. And this is the work of a tripod, you get. So that is why you need to get a tripod separate from your ring light. If not, you will end up spoiling your ring light and then money lost. So do go ahead and purchase. You definitely, even if it's not this one, you definitely need a tripod. So do go ahead, even if this is a small one or anything. But I like this one because whenever I will be doing my cleaning videos, it will help me. I just position it and then it gets the whole house. But this one, the ring light, can, You know, I keep struggling between making the light, you know, focus, and then making the phone focus as well. It's just so stressful. So that was why I went ahead to get this ring light. So drum rolls. Now I have here, of course, I got my essentials. This is the Shine and Jam. If you know me, I am a braider, I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist. If you guys don't know yet, like how wouldn't you know? I'll say it. Okay, so this is the real deal. This is the plug. If you want neat pattern, if this does not only help you achieve a neat pattern. This right here, this is not a sponsored advert. This is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored whatever. But this right here is the real deal. You can ask around, ask your braider, ask your hairstylist. This is the real deal. I also have the link linked in the description box down below. Do go ahead and grab this. This is a value pack. For the price, it's the bomb. So do go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So do go ahead and grab this. This is the Shine and Jam, the one with honey extract. That is the one that I use. I love this. Like, look at that. Ooh. This does not only help you pat your hair, but this has a very I love the smell. I'm not even going to lie, I love the smell. And then it helps you it moisturizes the hair as well. So while you're using it to pat your hair, it's also moisturizing your hair. This is so good, so good. And then this is the Tresemme mousse that I use. I use it on braids. After braiding, I use this on braid. This is the Tresemme mousse. If you want this as well, I can leave the link in the description box down below. This is the best. Like, I've used several mousse, but it's not working. This is the real deal. This has been working for me, so I had to go back to my Tresemme. Tresemme, I missed you. So then again, this is, I told you guys this would be an Amazon haul. So wait. So far, if you've been liking this content, if you're enjoying this, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click it first. Click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. Hey, you guys, this is the next deal. I know most of you must have heard about this thing and must have known this thing. They call it the Aztec. They call it the Aztec health and beauty secret, the Indian healing clay. So I've heard a whole lot about this thing and I've been having my skin has been having some kind of problems, and I even see some people using it for their hair, but I don't know about that. I'll definitely try everything out. I love trying things out, so I will definitely try this out. And if you want to hear the review, my own review on this thing, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. That is the only time you get notified when I post a new video. So I will be testing this Aztec. I'll be testing this Aztec out. So do go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell. So we are coming to an end. We are coming to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. You guys, everything is free. Like, it's free. Give me a big thumbs up. Like this video. Yes, that's thumbs up, but the same, just like this video. Share this video with your friends and family because that helps my channel to grow. And also leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about my Amazon haul, my new tripod stand and everything. My videos are about to be lit. I'm telling you guys. First I got new lightning, now I got my tripod, and now I'm saving up for my camera. You guys, you need to you need to click to this channel and stay tuned because I'll be coming with some bombast videos, So I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down there and click the notification bell. Like, share, comment on this video, okay? Because that helps your sister's channel to grow. We are trying to grow, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.